A very happy morning, students. How are you all? Okay, I hope you are great. Well, as we were going through 9th standard lesson of subject science, that is man-made materials. So students, in the last lecture we have seen properties of glass, but a critical question arises that every glass is not same, right? These glasses are different. So on which basis these glasses are different? What are their components and what are their names? To know this, today we will learn the subtopic types of glasses and uses. So let's get started with the types of glasses and uses. So there are 7 types of glasses which are given in your textbook, which are as follows: silica glass, borosilicate glass, alkali silicate glass, lead glass, optical glass, colored glass, and processed glass. Now let's see the details of these all glasses, means how they are produced and which are the items which are made from them. Okay, so let's get started with those glasses. The first one is silica glass. It is made by silica, and the items which are made from this silica glass shows minimum expansion on heating, and they are not affected by acid or alkali. Items which are made from silica glass are generally the laboratory glasswares. As you can see in the figure, round bottom flask, conical flask, test tubes, because it is not affected by acid and alkali. Then the second one is borosilicate glass. It is made by melting the mixture of sand, soda, boric acid and aluminum oxide. The glass does not show any effect on medicine. Because of this reason, medicines are stored in these bottles. And bottles made up of borosilicate glass are used in pharmaceutical industries to store the medicines, as well as they are also used to produce laboratory equipments also. As you can see in the figure, round bottom flask, test tubes are there. The third glass type is alkali silicate glass. It is made by heating the mixture of sand and soda. As this glass is soluble in water, it is called as water glass. And as it is soluble in water, no other equipments are made from this glass. This is the example figure of this alkali silicate glass. This is how it looks like. The fourth type is lead glass. As the name suggests, it must be produced with the help of lead compound. Okay, so what is lead glass? It is produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, limestone and the compound of lead, that is lead oxide, is present here. Okay, and being very clear or transparent, it is used in manufacturing of light bulbs and tubes, as you can see in the figure. The fifth glass type is optical glass. Optical glass is produced from the mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. This type of glass is useful in production of spectacles, lenses, microscopic lenses, etc. As we can see clearly through this glass, this is a pure type of glass. The sixth type of glass is colored glass. Soda lime glass is colorless, but when we have to impart a desired color to the glass, oxide of specific metal is mixed during manufacturing. For example, ferrous oxide is mixed to get a bluish green color, and copper oxide is mixed to get a red glass. This figure shows, in the first figure, bluish green color is imparted. It means ferrous oxide is mixed in that glass. And in the second figure, red color is seen, means copper oxide is mixed in that glass. The seventh and the last type of glass is processed glass. As the name suggests, some processing has been done on glass to make this processed glass. So as to improve the quality and utility, some processing is performed on glass and various types of glasses such as reinforced glass, plain glass, fiberglass, fen glass. As you can see in the figures, fen glass, from fen glass bowl was made, then translucent glass, etc. are made from this processed glass. These were all the types of glasses and their uses. We have seen silica glass, borosilicate glass, alkali silicate glass, lead glass, optical glass, colored glass, processed glass. Okay, these were all the types of glasses, and we have seen how they are produced, from which materials they are produced. Various materials were there like boric acid, sand, aluminum oxide, soda was there in some of the glasses. Then thereafter we have seen which materials are made from these glasses, their properties also we have seen. Means, for example, we have seen that in alkali silicate glass it is water soluble, that's why no equipments were made from that alkali silicate glass, and that alkali silicate glass is called as water glass also. In such a way we have seen all these 7 types of glasses. Okay, so if you have any difficulties related to this, you can ask in the comment section below. Now the last part of our lecture is homework. You have to write the types of glasses with the materials required for their production, with their uses. Okay, thank you.